Hey there, Jose here from Jonard Tools. Whether you're working on industrial projects, electrical installations, or DIY repairs, this tool is engineered to deliver consistent performance in any environment. Introducing the Jonard Tools stainless steel curved wire stripper, your go-to tool for precisely stripping 6 to 12 gauge wire. Designed with efficiency and durability in mind, the WSS-612 features a curved design that ensures precise stripping every single time. No more second guessing, just clean, accurate results with minimal effort. Made from high-grade stainless steel, the stripping blades are built to last, offering exceptional resistance to corrosion and wear. Here are some more standout features. For convenience, there are bending holes making wire looping quick and easy, as well as cutting holes for 832 and 1032 threaded screws. The gauge sizes are clearly marked so you can quickly identify the correct notch, saving you time and hassle. The ergonomic curved handle design and coil spring make it easy to work for extended periods of time without hand fatigue, while simultaneously increasing productivity. Finally, it's made of 50 HRC stainless steel for enhanced durability. There you have it. Stripping wire has never been easier thanks to the WSS-612 from Jonard Tools. Built for pros, made to last. The stainless steel curved wire stripper. Get yours today and experience the difference. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.